This is exactly what you should do if you want to be efficient and if you're a visual person like me. On Google Sheets, select the cells that you want to change the formatting based on the values and go into Format, Conditional Formatting, and you want to use the greater than and the less than values in here. You're going to have to do this twice. First, less than 0, so you want that to be the red one. You are going to change the background color to none and the font color to whatever color it is that you want. Here I'm using a custom red color. Once you hit done, you are going to do add another row, and then you are going to do the greater than 0. Same deal here. You want to change the background color to none and the text color to whatever color you want to use. All done. Now, anytime that these values get updated, the color will change based on the values. Is there anything else about spreadsheets that you think will help you be productive? Let me know in the comments.